In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from promotional emails in Gmail quickly and easily. If your inbox is full of newsletters, discounts, sales alerts, and other marketing emails, this simple method can help you clean things up in just a few minutes. And best of all, you do not need any special software or extra tools. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to Gmail, where you can access all of your incoming messages. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before continuing. Once Gmail loads, look through your inbox and find a promotional email that you no longer want to receive. Promotional emails are usually messages from stores, brands, services, or websites that send marketing content. Now open that email. At the top of the message, near the sender's name, Gmail usually shows an unsubscribe option if the sender supports it. Click unsubscribe. This tells Gmail that you want to stop receiving emails from that sender. After you click unsubscribe, Gmail or the sender may ask you to confirm your choice. If that happens, click confirm unsubscribe or the equivalent confirmation button. This final step makes sure your request is processed properly. Once that's done, Gmail will update your preference and you should stop receiving future promotional messages from that sender. If you have more promotional emails you want to remove, simply repeat the same steps for each one. Open the email, click unsubscribe, confirm if needed, and move on to the next sender. This is one of the easiest ways to reduce inbox clutter and keep your Gmail account more organized. It also helps you focus on the emails that actually matter, like personal messages, work updates, and important notifications. If you want, you can continue cleaning up your inbox by unsubscribing from a few promotional emails every day until your inbox feels much more manageable. A little bit of cleanup can make a big difference over time. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips and simple how-to guides. I'll see you in the next video.